Hey guys, it's Adib, the Texas Miner, and today I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to build the DreamBox for your mining rig. The tools that you're going to want for this project are going to be a magnetic tip Phillips screwdriver. You're going to want to go to your Lowe's or Home Depot and get a tap and die set with the, let me come show you guys. That's the size that you're going to need. Okay. 32 threads per inch. And you're also going to need a 3/32 size drill bit. That's 3/32 metal drill bit, because you're going to have to drill your own holes on these hardware mounts at the end of the video. So, you know, a good role model of mine once said, you know, before you start building, you need to have every single part to your project. And so I took that into consideration in doing everything in this mining process. That's very crucial, that you don't start, that you get everything ordered first as much as you can. There's always going to be those unknown variables, but everything that you can get ordered first, then start building. So here, just organize everything real nice. I will put I'll put in the description the quantities and the amounts for each item, because I don't have the boxes anymore, but when they come, when you first get your DreamBox, it's going to come in a big box, and there's just going to be a bunch of layers of stuff. So you just pick what you need out of these layers. All your screws are going to be in a box like this, and here's your power switch. Really cool, oversized. Hey, but it's part of it, and that's one less part that you need to buy for your mining rig, so I'll take it. Alright, way more than what we need to do with it, but I'll take it. I'll take it. You're gonna give it to me, I'll take it. So you're gonna want a power drill. If you can get one with the torque specs on it, get it, because when you're selecting your torque, you just hit one and it won't strip your Phillips screw. Okay? And let me get you guys a close-up of exactly these connectors, because what you're going to want to do is you're going to have a bag of black screws, a bag of these Phillips screws. I use most of mine, but you're gonna, there's different types of screws, so pay attention. When we start putting the screws on, I'll let you guys know which ones are the right ones. So we're gonna get all the screws, and we're gonna take this magnetic tip. Got to get the magnet tip. It's a couple bucks more, but save yourself, because what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to screw all of these, pre-drill all of the screws into these connectors, so that way when you're assembling everything, it's just you pick up that electric drill and you just start, you know, pop pop pop, and everything goes real smooth and quick, because time is money, my friends. Time is money. Alright, so I'm going to get a close-up for you guys so you can see the layout if you want to pause it. So here you can see these shorter rods, 1, 2, 3 of those, 2 of these long rods. You're going to get one, this holds your power supply, power switch. Here's what will hold these onto the frame. And then these are the connectors that I was talking to you guys about. Make sure you get all the screws in first, okay, before you start building. Save yourself some time, okay? So here's a snapshot. You guys pause that if you need to, of what you need. Now let's start building. Alright guys, this is the step right before you start drilling them all together, just to make sure that you got it right. Okay. Word of the day is symmetry. Alright. Alright guys, so we're back. Make sure when you're drilling these to hold them tight. I press them against my stomach and drill them in like that. So that way you get a good firm hold. I like to go through, double check the connections. Just make sure everything's real firm. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to take these bars over here, the ones that have, if you stand them up straight, these two, they're going to have one facing towards you and then two facing away. Yeah, that's why I'm not out there on the field with Dak and Zeke. Alright. What did I say? One facing towards you, two away. Okay, just like that. So those are those connectors, and what you're going to do is you're going to take these right here. Okay. Now I put the 2-inch side facing away from me. Okay, so I take that. Just making sure this is recording. You know, new to this instruction stuff, but I gotta share it with you guys because it's just too freaking cool. It's too cool to keep to myself. I want you guys to be successful. All right. One of these screws fell out when I was drilling it. It's really worth your time to invest in an electric drill. Okay, so here we have those brackets, and then we're going to take these, and you guys will start to be able to see it come together. You're going to take this, and it's important that you have, so there's the long side and then there's the short side, right? It's important that you have the short side facing towards you and putting it on this thing, on this, that middle 3-prong right here. So, like that. Put that down for now. Speaking of Dak and Zeke, they got a win. You know, Roger's messing with them pretty bad, but hey, they got a win against. See how far they can take it this year. Those guys are. Alright, so now we're going to take these, so it's you know, left and right. Everything has come in pairs. So on my right hand side is this one. So the right hand side is going to have this piece facing, 3 prongs facing in, 2 facing towards you, and none of them facing away from you. also the screw as well. See how you gotta maintain pressure when you drill them together, else you're gonna have spaces all in between. People are gonna not think that you know what you're doing. It's also they're gonna, I don't know. I'm big on if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it right. So just do it right. Okay. Plot piece right there. This piece over here. So when you're screwing in your bolts, you're gonna want to make sure that you give them more than 1 or 2 turns, because you're gonna have what's going on with me over here. Everything's falling out. But no big deal. Okay. So what was I talking about? So Hey, if you guys like the video, follow me on Twitter at Texas_miner, and be sure to subscribe to our newsletter, cryptocurrency.market/newsletter. See you guys on the next video.